Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Those who are going to abroad education should know about the safest and most dangerous cities in the world. Here in this video, I would like to talk about the world's safest and most dangerous cities revealed. You should travel safely. Seeing the world definitely has its perks. From witnessing local cultures to soaking up the sights and sounds of a new place. But are you safe? CEO World Magazine has released a list of the crime rates in cities across the globe to give you peace of mind before you next jet off. Try to discover the 10 safest cities in the world, followed by the 10 most dangerous cities in the world. 10th safest place is Hong Kong. Snagging a spot in the top 10 is urban metropolis Hong Kong City, one of the most densely populated regions in the world. Despite being known for its protests, don't let those put you off. Hong Kong is generally a stable city with extremely low levels of crime. Hong Kong is renowned for its budget-friendly and bustling street food stalls known as Dai Pai Dongs, popular among locals and travelers alike. Check out Temple Street for the best of Hong Kong's late-night eats. Victoria Park, the highest point on the island, is also a must-visit for the best shots of the iconic skyline. Make sure to take the tram for a super scenic path to the top. If you have got a Hong Kong trip planned, check out a handy guide before you go. 9th safest place, Eskişehir, Turkey. Dreamy Eskişehir is known for its progressiveness, is a mostly conservative region of Turkey which keeps crime to a minimum. Despite the huge student population, the city is peaceful, making it a popular weekend destination for Turkish travelers. A high-speed train from Istanbul can get you to Eskişehir in under 3 hours. So it's a must if you want to escape the bustling capital. The city Eskişehir is ideal for cycling, especially along the banks of Porsuk River, and is the best way to sightsee. The pretty pastoral buildings of the heritage protected Odun Pazari neighborhood is the perfect spot for budding photographers. Among must-see attraction is the newly built Adan Pazari Modern Museum, which opened in September. The gallery showcases the best of the region's modern art and contemporary artists from across the globe. 8th safest place is Bern city in Switzerland. Bern is the charming cobblestoned Swiss capital and makes the list just below its native counterpart Zurich. Although crime rates have increased in the last 3 years, Bern is still within the top 10 of the world's safest cities. The city's UNESCO listed Old Town Center is a popular destination for travelers, and despite the occasional protest, crime levels stay pretty low. The scenic city is surrounded by a picturesque alpine background, and its laid-back air makes it the perfect escape from Zurich. Just an hour's train journey away, the Bern Minister has the highest church spire in Switzerland, and the late medieval marvel is a must for any history lovers, while the crystal clear waters of the Aure River running through the city give Bern a truly fairy tale feel. Seventh safest place is Zurich, that is also in Switzerland. Zurich, the financial capital of Switzerland, also makes the top 10. Zurich is praised for its efficient and friendly police force and extremely safe public transport, making tourists feel right at home. Zurich is known as a picturesque and culturally vibrant city. It is extremely accepting and welcoming nature makes it a favorite spot to settle down among Switzerland's LGBT community and ranks highly for overall quality of living. The historic Owl Town is a favorite among locals. Lose yourself in the charming streets and marvel at the beautiful and iconic Framster Church. Sixth safest place is Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Dubai is well known for its luxury and is home to the world's largest shopping center, the Dubai Mall, which has its very own aquarium and underwater zoo. Crime levels in Dubai are very low all around as strict government rules ensure the safety of residents and tourists. To keep the peace, travelers are highly advised to research Dubai's customs before visiting, as the city is governed by a strict interpretation of Islamic law, which is heavily enforced. Dubai continues to be the home of the tallest building in the world for the 10th year running, the Burj Khalifa, a popular tourist spot for unbeatable views of the city. The fifth safest place is Munich, that is in Germany, home to the iconic Oktoberfest beer festival, which hundreds of thousands flock to farm around the globe. Munich has topped the list as the safest city in Europe. Lively and known for its open-mindedness and large international population, violent crime rarely occurs here. There is more to Munich than beer, though. The city's Bavarian heritage, beautiful architecture, and old-town charm dotted with the gourmet food stalls and boutique shops make Munich popular with everyone who visits, and the safety is a bonus. Fourth safest place is Taipei in Taiwan. Modernity and tradition come together nicely in Taiwan's capital. Taipei is generally safe for travelers with low crime rates, and the country is home to an extensive camera surveillance network which seems to deter petty crimes as they rarely happen. There are no particular areas considered unsafe except the occasional pickpocketer in touristy areas, making it an attractive city to visit. The people are considered friendly and welcoming, especially to visitors, so you will have no problems exploring everything Taipei has to offer. If you fancy a coffee with a view, Taipei is also home to the world's highest Starbucks, situated in its tallest building, Taipei 101. Third safest place is Quebec City in Canada. Quebec City has earned a reputation for being a charming and unique destination for tourists and local alike. The colonial yet modern city has the lowest crime rates in North America within the rankings, making Canada the safest country in the region overall. The UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of the oldest European settlements in North America. Tourists can enjoy wandering the lovely streets or immersing themselves in the cave culture throughout the city, where you will find an abundance of tolerance and acceptance everywhere. Second safest city is Doha, Qatar. Doha, the capital of Qatar, came a close second in the rankings. The city is one of the richest in the world with extremely low levels of crime. Popular spots in the city include the Souk Waqif, an ancient market and social hub of Doha, the Museum of Islamic Art, home to the largest collection of Islamic art in the world. The sprawling cosmopolitan city is a magical mix of towering skyscrapers and Persian tradition, making Doha an increasingly popular tourist destination. The city has witnessed an 11% growth in tourists between January and August 2019, and tourism is expected to increase even more as Qatar hosts the next FIFA World Cup in 2022. The safest city is Abu Dhabi in United Arab Emirates. Abu Dhabi topped the list as the safest city in the world for the third year running, with the lowest crime rates of all the 334 cities ranked. The city boasts an impressive modern skyline and is a shopping paradise for luxury travelers across the world. UAE is also well known for its strict laws keeping crime levels low. Abu Dhabi is consistently regarded as a very welcoming and safe city for both tourists and residents, and now is the perfect time to visit. UAE is currently celebrating 2019 as the Year of Tolerance, a year-long celebration to promote and encourage acceptance and understanding, not just in Abu Dhabi but throughout the country. If you find this video interesting, please like and share among your friends. Thank you very much.